this training what I have gone through is really helpful. Okay, I have whatever training session is given here is a lot of experience. Different examples are being shared to understand the impact and actual reality of the problem faced. Okay, and to overcome those things. Okay, especially some risk assessment tools, different how it is linked to change control, risk assessment, URS, all those things are covered, which is I feel a complete understanding of the subject is there.
How was your experience for the entire 2 days of program?
Yeah, it was great.
And could you tell us what is that you liked about the program?
Yeah, this program is entirely different from other programs which I have attended. Means it is completely practical based and experience based.
Well, that's great. You mean to say it is more practically delivered, and it is something that relates you from the day-to-day operations,
Yeah.
what you perform at the work.
Yeah, and I got some queries answers from this session.
So it also helps you to have more interaction and resolve your queries as well. So that's great.
So anything in specific, like any specific feature that you like about the program? In terms of critical topics being discussed?
See, generally when I look at programs, the main thing that I have in mind, especially when I look at the trainer, I've met Kalpesh ji many times, probably 2 or 3 times casually. So my main aspect is that I want a trainer or I want a person to guide me who can not just show me what the rule says, I can do that myself, but give me tips and tricks on how to enable those rules, how to stick to those rules and still have a system that is easy to manage and that is cost efficient. And the last 2 days were so many such tips and tricks that I think his main focus was not increasing the budget of the entire organization, but doing the same things that are said in the rules, but in a cost efficient manner. And that is my primary focus whenever I am looking for a training. Because generic knowledge, I can read CFR and I can understand. It may take some more time instead of when I listen to him, but I can still manage that. But these are a few things that only trainers or only people who have been in the industry for a long time, they can give you such small tips and tricks, and those were the things that I've got in the past 2 days. So that is something unique of this program.
Well, that's great.
So this was a 2-day course on computer system validation, which was something that I was waiting for since a very long time now. I was hoping to catch Mr. Waghela since the past 1 year, and I could not somehow enter any of the different venues, but finally I did make it to Baroda, and it was a very good decision that we took, I think Waghela sir supported me on.
What is the specific feature that you liked about the program? The entire training, was it good in terms of better knowledge, in-depth experience on the expertise by our course leader Mr. Kalpesh Waghela, or was it like very well arranged and having less number of people?
Yes, well, Mr. Kalpesh Waghela, he's very definitely, he's eminent, he's a very good trainer, and what I feel is most of the people from most of the organization should definitely, higher management should definitely, and they should recommend the people from the organization to send this for the training. The important thing is not only how the training and the people who are already how it was arranged nicely. Also, in addition to that, for the technical point of view, the topics what has been covered were very good. Like cloud validation, a brief overview of the computer system validation, specific various questions were asked during the session were also satisfactorily answered by Mr. Kalpesh Waghela. What I recommend is the high management from all the companies and the basically from the pharmaceutical companies, that should recommend this people from the IT people, from the quality assurance department, from the engineering section should attend this type of training.
Well, that's perfect. And Aejas, could you tell me about your experience for the 2 days of the program?
That's really great. I can say one of the best trainings I have ever attended.
Well, that's great. And what is the specific feature you liked about the training for the program? Was it better in terms of the knowledge, in-depth expertise delivered by the course leader, Mr. Kalpesh Waghela, or is it more like a very well arranged program with less number of people having focused learning approach?
Yep. The very first part I can say Mr. Kalpesh is really good. He has a good experience and he shared a lot of good things in the training. I can say this could be the best thing.
All right.
Colleague is also there in the training, and as Mr. Waghela is already explaining, now they are aware with the importance of that documents and the validation
And the purpose.
So they are also support for the same. So validation documents are being also good.
I would like to understand that how was your experience throughout the 2 days of the program?
We heard that we read the literature most of the time and we interpret. But now in this session, especially what we interpret is correct or not, that Mr. Waghela has correctly demonstrated us. And it's very good to learn something new from him also. So there are like a basic skeleton is available, but how to interpret, how to apply, that we have to learn from these sessions. That's my thought.
When you say the training was good, what is the most specific feature that you liked about the training in terms of the knowledge, in terms of the course leader, or in terms of the arrangement or less number of people or the practical sessions? What is that you most liked?
More expertise on data integrity as well as 21 Safer. That was very good actually. Even though we are part of that compliance team, we are getting more about in-depth knowledge of 21 Safer as well as data integrity.